How to make a sticker on iPhone. If you want to turn your photos into iMessage stickers, here's exactly how to make your own stickers on iPhone using built-in tools. Step 1. Find the photo you want to turn into a sticker. It works best with clear objects or people and iPhones running iOS 17 or later. Step 2. Tap and hold on the subject in the photo, like a person, pet, or object, until you see it pop out slightly with a glowing outline. Then let go. Step 3. After letting go, tap the Add Sticker option that appears. This saves it directly to your sticker library in Messages. Step 4. Go to the Messages app, open any chat, and tap the stickers icon. Then tap the plus sign or recents to find your custom sticker. Drag and drop it into Messages or place it over photos and text. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.